In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zendesk reports. If you've ever been bogged down by the daunting task of generating reports from customer service data, worry no more. Zendesk Explore provides an intuitive suite of tools that lets you create comprehensive reports effortlessly, making your data analysis quicker and more productive. To kick things off, you'll need to sign into your Zendesk account. Start by heading over to the Zendesk website. Once there, click on the Sign In button, which you might have to do twice depending on your browser or previous site visits. A sign-in form will appear prompting you to input your email address and password. Fill in those details and either hit Enter or click on Sign In again to proceed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to Zendesk Products. Look for the Zendesk Products option and click on it. This will take you closer to the realm where data turns into insights. The journey continues as you click on Explore. This is Zendesk's powerful reporting and analytics tool, designed to help you better understand your customer service data. It's here where all the magic happens, so to speak. Upon entering Explore, your next move is to click on Reports. This is the gateway to creating your own custom reports. It's vital to familiarize yourself with this area as it is here, where you'll spend most of your time designing the reports that matter most to you and your organization. Feeling adventurous? Then it's time to click on New Report. This is where your reporting journey truly begins. A new report is a canvas upon which you'll paint your data masterpiece. Now choose the category that best suits the report you want to create. Zendesk Explore offers a variety of templates and categories tailored to different aspects of customer service and engagement. Selecting the right category helps streamline the creation process, ensuring that your report focuses on the data that's most relevant to you. After selecting your category, it will be time to click on Start Report. This brings you to the exciting part of actually crafting your report. Here you add the specific details that will make your report useful and insightful. Think of it as setting the stage for the kind of analysis you wish to conduct. Almost there. After diligently adding your details, refining your report's focus, and tailoring it to your needs, it's time to save your work. Click on Save. Congratulations, you've just created a report in Zendesk. Creating reports in Zendesk is more than just a technical process. It's a strategic activity that enables you to derive actionable insights from your customer service data. By following the steps we just went through, you can begin to make more informed decisions that will undoubtedly enhance both your customer service and business operations. Remember, the key to effective reporting is not just about the data you collect, but how you analyze and utilize this data to improve customer experiences and operational efficiency. Take the time to explore the various features within Zendesk Explore, experimenting with different types of reports until you find what works best for your unique requirements. That wraps up our guide on creating Zendesk reports. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now equipped to turn your customer service data into actionable insights. Happy reporting.